Next, we have a series of movement songs from our younger students. Without being able to sing in person this year, classes have had some really creative experiences making music in other ways. You're going to see a sample of those here. Miss Baird will leave the early childhood students in a finger play called Snowflakes. Feel free to join in. The second and third songs are scarf dances. We invite everyone to join in for those. Find a scarf or a small towel, or just use your hands as we dance to Winter from the Four Seasons and Tripak from the Nutcracker.
Hi, everyone. All right. So, early childhood, get your snowflake fingers ready. Here we go. Snowflakes, snowflakes all around, in the air and on the ground. Some are big and some are small. Roll them into a snowball. When the sun comes out to play, all the snowflakes melt away. Great job. Excellent. I hope you enjoyed that one. So this next one is going to be, you're going to follow me this time. And we are going to stand again. Get mine. All right, get ready because it starts really fast. Great job. Woo!